Hello everyone, welcome to Pritam's Code Journal. In this video we will study about the string data type. We have done the numeric core data types in the previous video. So if you haven't watched that video, then you can watch that video by going to the description of this video and clicking on the link given below. Okay. So we will start with the string. So string is sequence of characters like a word, hello world, or let it be my name only, that is, let us say name. So name equals to Pritam. Okay, so let us print the variable name, that is Pritam. So output would be the string. Okay, so we have this string, but we cannot replace a single character out of this. For example, let us say name of 0, that is P. We cannot change it to any other letter. So let us change it to A. So let us replace P with A. So here it is. What does it say? That str object does not support item assignment. Okay. Now let us know about index. Well, the strings are stored in a continuous location. So when we start with the index 0, then it will go on till the last character. So name of 0 was capital P, name of 1 is small r, like that till the last one, that is name of 5. Okay, so let us say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So name of 5 is small m. Like that, if you want to go in the backward direction, then you have to start with -1 at the last character. So name of -1 is m. Okay, so you will go in reverse direction like that. But while going in a forward direction, you have to start with 0. So that's all for the string part. We will learn about list, tuples, sets and dictionaries in the next videos. Okay. And if you found the video informative, then do like the video, share it with your friends or classmates who want to learn Python. And if you haven't subscribed the channel, then click that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so that you won't miss my upcoming videos. So see you all in the next video. Bye bye.